Who pays for termite in a transaction? We had this report, and I saw in the contract that as a seller, I'm obligated to give them that report. I agreed on that, but now there are repairs. Who pays for that? Well, in California, it is very, very standard that a seller does pay for termite repairs. There's Section 1 and Section 2. This will be in our report. Section 1, these are things that are actually happening now. It could be dry rot, it could be wings found, so fumigation, things of that nature. Section 2 is preventative. Typically that's when they go around, they'll spray something around the perimeter or take other preventative measures. Now it's standard for the seller to pay for termite and issue a Section 1 clearance. Section 2, that's a buyer thing. The way that's determined is Section 1, that means since you've had the property, these things have happened and now you're correcting it for the buyer. However, ownership transfers, Section 2, that's preventative, that's future. So the buyer would pay for that. If you're receiving this as a video link in an email and you are already one of our clients, it's because we want you to have answers to questions such as this before they come up during a transaction. If you're not yet one of our clients and you happen to be watching this video on YouTube, we would love for you to reach out and contact us at the number below. We would love to hear about your real estate needs, answer questions, and see what we can do to help you.